That was sick. My butt, dude. Look at my butt print.
Wait, he's picking out the pieces out of the bag?
Hey, he puts his hand in there and drops that red stuff he didn't like.
That'd be sick.
I mean, that sounds but
That'd be fine. That'd be worth it.
It's alright to be honest.
where are we going?
We're gonna go shred. You already know.
How was that, Danny?
It's cool.
Alright, let's go up there. Well, I'm going up there.
I'm not ready for this hike. Over there, it looks like it will keep going, but it's just been falling.
Not worth it.
Nah, I ain't trying to get stuck when the job's already warm like it is. You're not gonna go back? It just dies right there.
I'm gonna go down and
There's a fire. Ready? People will come and just... Dude, this is so...
We should camp here.
We should.
dude.
Yeah, dude. Holy shit.
Cameron.
There's a red tape. There's a red.
Oh, to see how far it
Yeah, I'm gonna send it down there.
Because they don't have.
Go for it, dude. What does that say?
Please don't go down. We'll die.
Okay. We'll be comfortable on the trip. You gotta pull them.
Cold room? That's the after.
Hi guys, we're doing a vlog, and
We're gonna hear something bad.
and we got Jesus going up in there. Dude, that sounds gnarly.
It sounds weird. It sounds like something's charging up to explode.
That sounds so crazy. He thinks he's a trophy truck, but he's not. Oh, he's coming! Ah! 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 He came out! That was freaking sick!
I told him to send it.
Oh, really?
Swing, bada, 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 swing, bada, bada, swing, bada, bada, swing, bada, bada, bada. And he's a goner. Oh!
Do another one, do another one.
What did I hit?
Did you bend that?
Swing, bada, bada, swing, bada, 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 swing!
Oh, sorry, that was a strike
That
three.
was too far. I
Would have been a ball, but you
Out on strike,
swing
sorry.
for the other team.
I swing for the other team. 2019.
Oh, goal!
So you ran out of the situation.
Can you tell me what happened today?
So the situation occurred around 3 a.m. this morning, Pacific Local Standard Time, where the gentleman in a orange red shirt was trying to come with Mavic with his amigos. And, he ended up being about an hour and a half away from Mammoth when he realized that.
From where?
1 hour and a half away from Mammoth. We're coming from San Diego.
Okay.
So he realized that about an hour and a half away from Mammoth, about 5 hours into the trip, he realized that he didn't have the lift tickets. But we're still sending it.
Danny's a full-time sender.
I'll do it again.
We're
For the vlog?
we're missing Justin Oyen.
Full-time sender?
What? I don't get
Do
it.
for the vine there.
I miss it.
That's right.
It's windy out here.
That's fun.
Oh no.
Good.
Oh, man.
That's what.
Thank you.
We came all the way here to Mammoth to snowboard, and Kevin forgot the lift tickets, so now we gotta do what Melissa's doing, walk up the hill and shred. Ready?
Were you ready?
Oh, I don't think so.
Send it.
Alright, whatever.
Yeah.
That was it. My butt, dude. Look at my butt print.
Yeah.